home has hidden potential, corners that wait quietly to be discarded, and few spaces embody that idea more beautifully than the one beneath the staircase. For years, it has been a forgotten zone, a hollow void that collects dust or boxes we never open. But when crafted with wood, that space can transform from an afterthought into one of the most practical and aesthetically satisfying parts of a home. Wood brings warmth, structure, and continuity to a staircase. It doesn't just fill the empty space, it completes it. Good design isn't about adding more things. It is about making what already exists work harder. The area beneath the staircase is a masterclass in that principle. When reimagined in wood, it becomes a seamless extension of the architecture, not a bolt-on or accessory, but an integrated gesture of purpose. There is something deeply satisfying about concealed functionality. Drawers that blend into the grain, shelves that follow the slope of the stairs, or serving purpose without breaking visual flow. It is design that whispers instead of shouts. Wood is the perfect companion for under-stair storage because it adapts to both form and feeling. Structurally, it is flexible, easy to shape into angled panels and tight corners. Aesthetically, it adds coherence, the same material that carries you upward through each step can continue downward into cabinets or shelving, creating unity. There is also the sensory appeal. When you open a wooden drawer or slide your hand along a polished oak panel, it feels natural, grounded, authentic. It is a tactile connection to craftsmanship, a reminder that storage can be beautiful, not just functional. Clutter is often a design problem disguised as a lifestyle problem. People don't want more storage, they want better storage. Under the stairs, wood allows that better version to emerge. Because the staircase already dictates the geometry, the storage beneath it feels intentional. Books, shoes, linens, or art pieces, everything can find its quiet home without creating a visual noise. When executed in wood, the lines remain fluid. The grain ties together what would otherwise be fragmented. It is a suitable transformation from chaos to composition. There is a psychological pleasure in order, especially when achieved through craft. Opening a perfectly balanced wooden drawer or sliding a panel that aligns flawlessly with the stairs above is more than convenience. It is harmony made visible. And that is the essence of good joinery. Not showing off precision, but feeling it. Wood, unlike metal or plastic, has a forgiving softness that invites human touch. It makes daily ritual, putting away shoes, stacking books, storing blankets, feels less like chores and more like participation in design. A staircase divides vertical space, but wooden storage unites it again. When the same tones, finishes, or grains are carried from the steps into the cabinetry below, It creates a sense of visual flow, as though the entire structure was carved from a single piece of material. This integration matters. It blurs the line between architecture and furniture. The staircase stops being just a way up or down, it becomes a centerpiece that connects movement with meaning. Choosing wood for built-in storage also aligns with a more sustainable design philosophy. When crafted from reclaimed timber or responsibly sourced hardwood, the under-stair space becomes a symbol of mindful living. Instead of wasted voids and synthetic finishes, you have repurposed materials doing new work. It is a form of design recycling, quiet, efficient, and poetic. Each plank, each joint, each grain carries a history, yet contributes to a cleaner, more intentional present. The next time you walk past your staircase, imagine what lives within that empty triangle of space. It doesn't have to be void. With thoughtful design and the quiet strength of wood, it can become a story of transformation, where structure meets simplicity and purpose meets poetry. A wooden under-stair storage solution isn't about hiding things away. It is about revealing what thoughtful living looks like: calm, balanced, and complete. Because true beauty in a home isn't found in what you add, it is revealed in how gracefully you use what is already there. So until next time, happy decorating.